With a new year underway, let's take a look at how public companies in our industry performed for shareholders during 2010. Most stocks had a banner year, and of 55 stocks we follow in the Rapaport Weekly Tradewire, there were only 13 decliners, but 40 gainers. There were basically 2 that were a wash. Major indexes did very well. The BSE coming out far ahead, up 18%. The S&P up 12%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, FTSE and Seng all up 9%, just to give you a benchmark against individual diamond and jewelry industry stocks. For individual stocks then, the biggest drop came from Fuki International. Their shares took a nosedive following their decision to restate financials going back to 2009. The Nasdaq has given them until March 28 to file all quarterly statements and remain in compliance with listing requirements. Stellar Diamonds ended the year down 46%, but it is up from its lowest point in October. Trading has been very active in the past 4 months. Swashi's Diamonds ended the year down 44%. Their stock plunged in May and pretty much held steady from that point forward. Damiani closed the year 23% lower. Volatile trading swings marked the year for classic diamonds, but they ended only 21% lower. Other stocks showing red ink in alphabetical order were Blue Nile, Bijou Bijet, Coles, Gold Diam International, Lusara, Shore Gold, Firestone Diamonds, and Moa Africa. The good news, though, we have too many gainers for me to address each one verbally, but I'll cover highlights. Stornoway was flat. Now, their big jump came really in 2009. Walmart was only barely a gainer. It came in basically flat for the year. Gem Diamonds up 10%. Harry Winston up 16%, following a dismal first half on the retail side. Rockwell Diamonds rose 17% as it began holding some tenders during the year. JCPenney up 20%. Michael Hill up 31%. Their stock gained traction during the second half after sales improved and it consolidated U.S. operations. Tiffany up 39%. The retailer continues to be well positioned to gain from sales in emerging luxury markets. Rajesh Exports up 49%. Richemont up 58% following a strong sales recovery this year. LJ International up 58% as it continues to grow the Enzo store chain in China. Signet up 64%. The jewelry chain continues to gain market share in the U.S. Gitanjali jumped 72% as it grows market share in India and elsewhere, mainly through acquisitions. True North Gems up 76%, although it means only 6 cents per share. Zale continued to have a difficult year, but investors showed their support with cash and credit. Shares up 76%. There were several triple-digit gainers this year. Petra Diamonds up 122%. Titan Industries up 157%. Charles & Colvard turned around sales this year. Its share price jumped 166%. Gemfields International up 188%. Mountain Province up 193%. And the winner on our list for the greatest increase in share price for 2010, Dallas Gold and Silver Exchange share prices rose 215%. Here is a look at how precious metals prices performed this past week. For all the latest industry news, be sure to check diamonds.net and follow us on Twitter.